Hi guys, today we're going to see what is the math module in Python. So the math module is nothing but a module which helps us to perform some mathematical operations in Python. So to import the math module, we simply type import math. Now, there are many things we can do with the math module. For example, the greatest integer function, which means if we have a float, for example, 1.1.3, and now I need the greatest integer function. That means the integer which is greater than 1.3, but it is the closest to 1.3. So the greatest integer function here will be 2. So for that, we can say print math dot cil, and in the brackets we put a. So we get 2. Just like that, if I want the integer which is less than 1.3, but it is the closest to 1.3, so I say math dot floor, and in the brackets I put a. I get 1. Now, if I want the value of pi, that is 3.1, for the whole value of pi, which is a very big number, we can type math.pi pi. As you can see, we have the whole number. Now, we can also find out the square root of any number. So, for example, if I have an x, a number 64, I can print math.sqrt, which is short for square root x. I'll comment these first. Yes, the answer should be 8. So we have 8 here. If I put something like 98, we get this. So we get the exact square root of any number we want. Now, if I want a number to the power of something, so we can use the POW math function. So we can say print math.pow, and so we put 2 values in the POW function. So the first is the base, for example, 5, and the second one is the exponent. Let's say 2. So the value should be 5 squared 2, that is, 5 squared. So it should be 25. As you can see, we have 25 here. Now we can find a very large, for example, this. So let's run. As you can see, 76 raised to the power 8 is this. So we can do these um, calculations in a very quick way. So this is it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Take care.